See budget. Now that we get president. Hey. Our country go now breathe. See budget now. See what's in the budget. For this budget, everybody gets something here. Whether you be student, you be civil servant, you be anybody, you got something for this budget. Hey! Now we don't enter the promised land proper. President, God go bless you. Good luck with Jonathan. Hey, God! Good luck with Jonathan. You be my man, but you don't know. Ah, mama!
What? Happy New Year.
How you doing? I don't know how you gonna survive, Mama.
You dey great. You be working me.
I love you, sir.
My God, dude. My God.
I just read this thing. See budget now, see.
No. Should I tell you about the good Lord Jonathan? That man. Now God say now.
Now wow.
Now God say now. If not be say Jesus Christ don't come before.
Now be Jesus Christ. Now be Jesus Christ.
You don't know this guy.
But people take and say, now be Jesus Christ of this time.
No, you know say since the original Jesus Christ will soon come, we could not compare.
Okay, say you go come back.
In our assistant.
In talk and say come back.
Oh,
trust me.
Now this New Year.
You see as they bounce.
Enter house, bring something, we celebrate. This New Year, I'm very happy. We celebrate.
Make we celebrate. Because for your own house, they know they celebrate there.
Now everything they take, they do logic. Enter house, bring drink, make we celebrate.
And not be logic, you know, say you fit invite me, say forget, go your house, I go come see you.
You stingy for 365 days. Today will be New Year, you see the stingy.
Make I tell you.
Guy, go bring.
Forget them. This year where we dey talk, this New Year, now New Year of sober reflection. Make I tell you.
What you sober?
You go think of your life. Sit down first, make I tell you something. Sit down.
Meaning waiting.
No be so, no, just something will concern your life and my own. Now I won't talk.
See, if this one a trick, maybe if you not bring drink, forget am, but you don't fail.
No be trick. No be trick.
Talk with you want talk, maybe bring drink.
If na drink, I go bring drink, but make we think am. Okay. As you dey so now, how old were you dey?
You don dey craze, I think. What be the meaning of that one?
No, if you no wan tell me, no problem. But anybody wey see your head go know say at least me and you na the same age. Or say you senior me with small thing. If na 5 or 10 years now it takes senior me. But check am. The two of us, none of us don't marry. Why? See those two small boys where they live for that place. See as in the pack women like say na pure water, toilet tissue, everything take them the play. But we will not see one. You don't ask yourself why.
Okay, you don't help me see wife.
No be say I help you see wife.
So what did they talk now?
What did they talk? Be say make we look into our life, make we think am. You see that man where they call landlord for this place. That guy take juju tie ourselves so that we no go progress for this life.
You know the crazy.
I swear.
You know the kind of way they talk come up from out.
What thing they talk? No be true. No, what thing they talk wey you never hear before? You know here say landlord then they take person they make juju carry tanker food all of una tortoise go just dey there. They make farm waiting anything where you put hand you no go work. Na inside they go. You no know.
Well, I used to beg you. That's the way they go. So no, I don't follow you. Just go inside, bring drink, make I drink.
Anyway.
Do New Year.
I don't tell you, but me as I dey feel, I must marry. Nothing go stop me.
Okay, you won't go marry Abi?
Hey, if all the women wey dey for this world get one eye, I must choose one marry. Or I dey enter village, direct entry, enter village, go collect one, come. Marry am.
I think you see now say na you then do something.
How?
Na you now wey something dey worry. So upon as you don't live for city rich, na village girl you won't go marry.
No, wetin do am now?
Anyway, that will not be problem. Not be the same mama born us. We get our different destiny. Not be my mama born you, not be your mama born me. So go marry your village girl, no problem. As for me, the picture of the city girl I want marry, they very clear for my eye. They even see her for dream every day. So
see, as I do so, nothing go make me marry city girl, okay. High class girl. After waiting Cynthia take my eye see. Baby! Baby!
Who is that?
Na David. How you doing?
What are you doing?
I'm fine now.
What are you doing here? Eh? How did you come here? Eh?
You know say na me you push so.
I blind. Who tell it I don't know say na you are the push? Wetin carry you come from my house? I dey ask you.
Come annoy you when you dey vex like this.
David, how many times me I don't tell you say I no want you. I don't want you again.
Yeah. Take am easy. Please no blow and go put for the ear of people wey we no wan make it hear am. You hear? Please.
Hey, if the breeze like me carry and go anywhere, me I no care. What are you doing here? I don't tire. I mean by force. I don't want.
Yeah. I don't know say you sabi act though. This is so that the type of surprise we won't give it be this. This is your joke, no sweet Abel. Leave her. Think of another thing, Abel. Where could we go? You see, if you say I know these people when they do film for television, I could just carry you go meet them. Tell them say you sabi am. It's easy as you do first. Don't you go think say you dey serious, but I see you say you don't dey serious.
You dey Chris? I said you dey Chris. You dey Chris? I say I don't want. I want to move on. Please.
If you want move on, make we move on together now. What's it this?
Together? You and me? To where? To where? Get out from my house.
You say?
Get out!
Cynthia, waiting now. What?
Get out!
So you need that? There's Cindy. Wait. Come now. Listen, see, make I tell you, Listen. Yeah. Cynthia. Now. This guy pour water like this. Hi. Cynthia. Your papa, come and get that from here, idiot. I beg you, make you come tell me no verse. Now make this guy do this thing. Okay, God. Yo, come and get that from here, idiot. Cynthia there, idiot. See you. So now because of these small boys, now you take pour me water for body, abi? Come to the shank. Say you don't want me again. Okay, we go see. No worry. Now God, now you go settle me and you for this place. Bros, come.
See?
I said make you come. Now me they call you, come. As you do so, for your life, wetin dey better for you na school abi na woman? I dey ask you na school abi na woman? Nothing. I swear. Okay. Make we better.
Go marry your own and make I marry my own.
Anyway, make I go bring drink, make we drink.
Give me paper now, not be something I go take the this budget now only you want to enjoy am.
You
Make I read.
Now free all see all your things,
Come
free
on,
of
yeah.
charge.
Come on, yeah.
President, Free Readers Association, your mates they be president of Nigeria.
If I be president of Free Readers, not be there I go from start. I be you don't know this my story.
What in be story?
From president of Free Readers Association, I fit become president of newspaper owners.
Consider now.
From there now God do am, I become deputy governor. Oh boy.
Hey! Now so, president of Free Readers, deputy governor, deputy.
From there, enter deputy governor. Deputy governor to deputy president. Deputy president to full president of Nigeria.
If you be president of Nigeria, me be Obama. Obama, there I go be.
That one of America now. Me, I did Nigeria.
Obama na America, not be Kenya, man.
Okay.
I go from here, I go there, I go become president.
If this American people go greet that rubbish again.
Okay, shark.
Stingy.
Me I stingy, but I don't bring one bottle. I don't bring one bottle, make we shark.
That be New Year with it.
If na New Year, nko. It is said to get one bottle days.
Thank you.
Hey.
Cha. Young man, I can see that your days in this compound are numbered. You are owing me 2 months' rent. And you are here taking alcohol.
Landlord, Happy New Year. With the quarter.
You the Chris? How you can insult yourself so?
How?
Happy New Year. No be this man, I tell you, say, make you know the talk though. This man will carry our head, they do juju. Say be landlord.
David.
Nothing be David.
Don't they talk like that?
How no go talk am?
No, they talk that kind of stuff.
Shut up. No, how no go talk am? No be you tell your destiny, say we no go progress. Ooh. This one no know you. You actually done too. Oh, you. Wait. Leave me make I talk to them. If nobody talk to them, me I go talk to them. Landlord, see you, landlord.
How dare you talk to me like that?
Wait.
Sorry, sir.
In fact, consider yourself out of this compound.
See landlord. You be landlord, not only you be landlord for this world, Abi. If you say you be landlord for that place what they call zoo
Estate.
Zoo estate, thank you. You for don't kill everybody where they there. Landlord, make I tell you, all this your house where they here now. If you add the money together, you know reach one window there. You know reach one single window. You dey do landlord. Especially when papa die, leave house for. Now they post.
Where do you want where your papa live for you?
If to say my papa no die on time, you don't for leave something for me. Eh? What do they talk?
Sorry, sir. Oga, no vex.
Who is begging you to stay in this compound?
Sorry.
Pack out.
Make a pack out.
I don't want to see you here again.
Sorry.
see. You know what see who? You know what see who? Landlord when they do medicine. Cause you don't. This will never sabi you. We don't sabi you now. Landlord of person where they put tortoise for water so that our future go dey your hand. No, they talk like this. No be them. No be them. Carry tanker, put for up. Carry tortoise. Every of you, your name dead there. Everybody name dead there. You go carry your destiny. They chop money for inside. You dey here they suffer for your own head only. Come out here. Nonsense landlord.
Don't worry. Use your smelly mouth and insult me. I promise you that when next I come, I will come with my boys to throw you out.
If you like, come with your girls. All these insults wey they give me na blessing, abi? No, na blessing now. You know they insult me. Nonsense. Put carry hand, put for wear white, landlord. You go just relax. Year end, we will carry money give you. You go still say they work. No go work for office. No go work for office. Come here, come stay. Idiot. Come out for this place. They talk, you go they talk.
What is this goat talking about?
No, you are good. If you like, call me Nama.
In fact, I will go and see my lawyer. You must back out of this compound. You must back out.
Ah! Who be your lawyer, woman? Woman, I be your lawyer. Idiot. It is that we don't know what they do.
Oh boy, no, I know they like this kind of thing.
If you don't talk to them like this,
come out. Come.
Where are you coming from?
We're coming from our flat, sir.
Do you stay in this estate?
What is the problem?
I'm talking to you and you're asking what is the problem. Are you aware that I'm the landlord?
Excuse me, sir, we are quite aware that you are the landlord. And are you aware too that you're still having our advance of 6 months rent?
Okay, you are the one, your parents stay abroad. Okay, when you go, you greet them for me. You're welcome. You're welcome. You see it? Everywhere dirty. I don't know what to do with these tenants. Garuba!